Bin Mokwin Aro, do solemnly swear that I will serve, support, and defend the Constitution of Twin Mayadit community against all with dignity, respect, unity, prosperity, and justice for all. Congratulations.